Hey guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title, this will be a quick and easy tutorial on how I apply or put on my U-part units. Okay, so really quickly, the details on this hair. This hair is from a company called Nadula Hair. They reached out to me and they said they wanted to send me some hair to try out. So I said, of course, why not? They sent me their curly hair, right? Their Brazilian curly hair. They sent me 4 bundles and a closure. The closure was a 20-inch. They sent me a 20, a 22, a 24, and a 26-inch bundles. So initially I was gonna make a wig with a closure, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna do something different. So I decided to do a U-part unit, and my mom had kept asking me about making one, so I finally decided to do one. So basically I just went to my local beauty supply store, got the U-part unit cap, and did what I did. So as far as this hair, as you can see, it's really nice, really shiny. This hair actually does have a little bit of product in it because my mom likes to wear it curly, and she likes the way it looks when it's like this, like wet looking curly. This reminds me of my auntie's hair. This is exactly how her hair looks, but it's thicker and it's longer. But yeah, you guys, so I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I apply my U-part wig, how I do my leave out and everything. All of the information on this hair will be in the description box, so check it out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so to start, I wear my hair in a pretty relaxed ponytail. Like literally my hair is like not combed at all. I like to wear it in a really loose ponytail because I tend to get headaches when I pull my ponytails too tight. So you're gonna do a really relaxed ponytail if you're like me, and then you're gonna part a section kind of like when you're wearing a sew-in, right? So a section just like this, right? And then you're gonna split it into 2. So this is what's gonna lay over the U-part unit. So what I like to do is I like to twist this part and wrap it in a little like loop, and then I take a bobby pin and I just stick that right in there because you want it to hold that so it's not in the way when you get ready to put the U-part unit on. Okay, you guys, so to start, this is what my U-part unit looks like. Basically, you can go to your local beauty supply store and pick up a U-part unit cap, and you would just use that to sew the hair onto, so you won't have to go like use a dome cap and then try to cut it a certain way for it to work. Excuse me. It will save you a lot of trouble because the first U-part unit I made just did not turn out right. I wore it, nobody knew that it was messed up, but I knew it was messed up, so I was just like, I'm never gonna use that method ever again. So I got the U-part cap, and it was so much easier. So basically this is what you're gonna get, and it does come with four of the combs, and you put it at the top 2, which is gonna be right here and right here, and then 2 in the back. I normally don't put the 2 in the back in my head because it can give me a headache, but I'm probably gonna put it in today just so it can be like extra secure. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the wig and you're going to go around your head, and you definitely need a mirror or something to do this part because this is the part where you gotta see what you're doing. So I'm gonna take the first comb and I'm gonna push that like right here and push it down into my head. Then I'm gonna take the next part over here and I'm gonna go under and push that into my head. So basically I'm just securing it to my head. Now this part is kind of back here because it's not going to move forward until I pull the rest of the unit around my head, but I kind of like it to sit back off my head some because it looks a little more realistic than when you have the unit sitting like literally so close to the front of your head. So this is what it looks like once you put the unit on. That's pretty much how I put mine on, but I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I do my little twisted twisty back part. Even though I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. I think people have been doing it since they was in middle school, because I know I was. But basically, as you can see, my leave out is already split into two like this. And I like to use edge control. I like to use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control. Gel is a little too slippery for me, and it doesn't have the same hold as the edge control does. So I personally like to use edge control, but you can definitely use gel if you like the way that looks on your hair more, right? So what I like to do is take some edge control and take a little bit of hair, and you just want to cover up the back part of this U part, because you don't want that to be peeking out. So you just take some edge control and just press it down, so you know that part is covered up. You don't have to worry about it peeking out. So then you're gonna put some edge control right here in this area like I already did, and you can bring it all the way down to your roots. I mean, not your roots, but you can bring it all the way down to your ends if you really wanted to go for that super wet look. But I like for my hair to have a little bit more texture. It just seems to hold a little bit better. So I'm just gonna grab my hair and some of the hair from the unit, just like this, and I'm just gonna twist it. Don't twist it too tight, because that can give you a headache. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And do it just like this. Hold it back, pin it down to your head, and then you can fix your hair in it. So it's gonna be just like that. And then of course you can do like your baby hair and everything, whatever you want to do, but this is pretty much how I do wear my U-part units when I do decide to do them. I don't like to wear straight U-part units. I don't know why I don't, but I have seen some nice ones. So if you want to wear a straight U-part unit, you can. Comment down below if you want to see me create one, and I will make one on my channel just so you guys can see how I make mine. But I'm just going to quickly go twist this other side, and then I will be right back. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have down below. Don't forget to check this hair out. It will be in the description box. So yeah, go get you some Nadula hair. I said Nadula. Get you some Nadula hair, all right, you guys? All right, bye.